What if I told you that I have made these shorts in seconds using an untouched AI tool that nobody is talking about right now? I can even promise you 100% that you never heard about this brand new AI tool. But before I reveal this AI, make sure to drop a follow right now, because what is following is going to blow your mind. Just a quick question. Have you already heard of Invideo AI? Before we continue, don't worry. This is not the AI tool I'm going to talk about. Well, I guess you already know that you can generate short-form videos and even long YouTube videos in seconds with a single prompt using Invideo AI. This is amazing, but there is a problem with this AI tool. The quality of the videos is usually not that good, and the editing style is not the best. My point is, using only Invideo AI won't make your videos go viral. Either, if you want to create a viral TikTok short or a long YouTube video, it might not be the best option to do so. I'm not telling you that Invideo AI is trash, but it is definitely not enough to make your content go viral. Now I'm going to tell you about this mysterious AI that is about to revolutionize the world of content creation. Snapvid.ai is a brand new AI tool that just has been released. It lets you automatically add B-rolls, transitions, and sound effects on your videos. It also generates the best captions out there. I promise you, you won't find a better caption generator than Snapvid.ai. In a matter of seconds, your video that looks like this.
In a ruthless world where only the fittest survive, hyenas assert
will
themselves
turn like
through
this in only a few clicks.
They stand out for their adaptability. They hunt, they roam, but above all, they survive.
Now let me show you how all of this works. First thing first, you need to click on the first link in the description. Then once you are here, just click this button that says try for free now. Then you will just need your Google account to sign up. Next, click on New Project. Now that we are here, we can import a MP4 file. The thing is that we don't have any video to import right now. So let me show you how we are going to create a video from scratch in less than 10 minutes. Head over YouTube and find a video that you like in the specific niche you want to post in. For this video, I'm going to be using the animal niche. It's a pretty big niche where we'll be able to get a lot of views and which could earn us a lot of money with the TikTok creativity program, for example. I'm going to look for awesome facts about dogs. From here, we'll have to find a video that we like, and then we are just going to paste the link of that video. Next, we're going to head over to this website called Happyscribe. Sign up for a free account and transcribe this video pasting the YouTube link that you copied right here. After a couple of seconds, it's done. Now copy the transcription and head over Chat GPT. Right now, we are going to be using this prompt. Then we just need to pass the transcription of the video. Now let's use this prompt that you could modify to make it work for the specific type of videos you would want to create. Now, we are going to copy our script and we're going to head over 11 Labs, sign up for a free account and paste this script and choose a voiceover. Personally, I chose the voice Freya for this video. Now that we have our voiceover, we are going to download it and head over Canva. From here, we need to select TikTok format videos and upload the voiceover. Then we'll need to put the voiceover on the timeline and put a black background and finally upload the end result as an MP4 file. Why do we need to do this? I mean, we just have a black background video and a voiceover. Don't worry, it is not finished yet. We are going to import this file into Snapvid.ai and we are going to let the magic work. The reason why we added a black background to the voiceover is because we needed to import an MP4 file in Snapvid.ai because the automatic generation of B-rolls, transitions, and subtitles only work with MP4 files for now. Now that we imported our MP4 file, let's go to the media section and click Smart Footage. It will automatically add relevant stock videos with awesome transitions. Once it is done, we can modify the stocks that have been added by clicking stock videos, and we can also add more stock videos into the timeline so we can have a great result. Then we can add more transitions just like this. And now, let's generate the subtitles. As you can see, these captions are really engaging, and I'm pretty sure you didn't see this exact type of captions out there on TikTok or Instagram. Let's also add the emojis, and we can even customize everything. I really like these subtitles. The very last thing we'll need to do when posting the video is add a trending background music that matches our video. And now everything is done. And in literally less than 10 minutes, we have a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short that is going to go viral for sure. And this is what the final result looks like.
Hey dog lovers, did you know your furry friends are full of surprises? Get ready to be amazed with these mind-blowing dog facts. Ever wondered how dogs drink? They create a cup with their tongues, guzzling down water like pros. Ancient Greeks had the right idea. Spiked collars, originally designed to shield dogs from wolf attacks. Sniff, sniff.
Not bad, right? Well, you can literally repeat this process in order to post several monetizable short-form videos per day. Now, you probably understand the power of this AI tool, and you may want to use it to go viral and make money with pretty much no effort. You can start using this tool for free by clicking the link in the description. You will be able to create a free video. Afterwards, if you think this tool will be useful to you, if you are serious about video creation and starting a side hustle, I highly recommend upgrading to a paid plan starting as low as $24 a month. It will allow you to get all the premium features that we used in this video. In short, everything you need to in order to start your TikTok automation business. When you upgrade for a paid plan, make sure to enter this promo code SNAPGIFT in the checkout to get 35% off. Now you know exactly how to create viral monetizable videos in less than 10 minutes. If you want to try it out yourself, click the first link in description and sign up for a free Snapvid.ai account. That was the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a follow if you want to watch more videos like this. And tell me honestly in the comment of this video if you already knew about this crazy AI tool.